Hi, Professor. Sorry about getting things in late this semester. I've just been going through a lot of things, and that's why I haven't been actually doing as well as I normally could in my classes. That's not a real excuse for anything, but just touching base with you, letting you know what's going on. So far as this assignment is concerned, for my final, I really wasn't able to implement this project anywhere. I seem to need to network a whole lot more with the psych environment or the psychosocial networks out there, like companies like CHD. I actually used to work for CHD, so there are a couple of people that I can speak to and see if I can get them to implement them with clients that they happen to see in like the local middle schools and high schools. So that's something I want to continue forward with because I do want to see my project actually be put into play with these students. I think that they would really truly benefit from it, and it would also help parents and staffing and minimize the whole suicide rates that we're having right now amongst teens. I really believe it will. Thanks for listening and thanks for having me in your class this semester and continue to be great.